What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Oh my god, the sun is bright. Super early morning today, but we're about to get the new wheels installed on the GTR finally. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. And yes, we are gonna put them on green for a little bit, just for a bit, maybe for like a week or so. Take them off, powder coat them black, and then put them back on the car. But I posted last video and a lot of you guys actually like them. There is a lot of people that hate the green. Trust me, I don't like the green, but for some reason I think it might look kind of cool. But the only reason I ordered the green is because I got a really good deal on it, and then I have a homie that can powder coat in black, so it'll work out at the end. But I'm gonna mount some green for a bit. I would say probably like 60% of you guys said rocket green. So yeah, before we get too far into the video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now, smash the like button for me, and let's get these new wheels on. Alright, we made it to my homie's tire shop. Dang. What's up, dude?
What's up?
What's up? What's up? What do you think? What do you think? I hope they look good, dude.
They will. It's black, so.
I know. He has blue wheels on his Mustang.
Yeah, I know.
Dang. Bro, this shit's bright. I haven't even seen it in the sun, to be honest.
Nah, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good for sure.
Was it them?
Yeah.
Holy shit, bro.
It's the front.
Damn. The rears are huge, huh?
Yeah, the rear.
That's crazy. Race Master M&H's. 345s in the rear. Dude, these are the biggest tires I've ever seen in my life. This is the last time you'll see it with these wheels. Probably not. Like I said, I'm probably gonna use them as spares, so we'll probably put them on again. Today we're gonna have green wheels on the GTR. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous. I don't know how it's gonna look, dude. It's funny, people are saying I'm ricing out the GTR. Guys, I've seen some pretty riced out GTRs, and this is not rice. They're bright, they're pretty colorful. It's something that's very different, but it's definitely not rice.
Ball tires?
I bought ball tires?
Yeah, I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Are they used like that, or are they make them?
These are brand new. They come like this. Celeste is tripping out. She doesn't understand. Yep, we got some slicks. Guys, look at this. Now you can really see how it might look. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's gonna stand out for sure. Now you can actually see how it's gonna look with the red brake calipers. It doesn't look bad actually. It does look a little bit like Christmas, but it's all good. Look at that clearance between the brake and the wheel. This is what I heard, that 18s are very, very close, but there is room, barely. Looks so crazy already. We're almost done. But this shit is fat, bro. Gonna fit?
Yeah.
Holy crap, bro. They definitely look way better with tires on them. Oh my god, I want to see it on the ground already. And then we got the new lugs. These are pretty clean. Damn, the front looks crazy too. Dude, I can't get over how much clearance the brakes have. It's like almost nothing. Alright guys, we're done. They all fit. Oh shit. That's actually not that bad. I definitely want to lower it. I kind of want to run a little spacer in the front to make it more flush, but it's not bad. It's kind of like even, but I want it to stick out just a little bit to make it look aggressive. GTR pads. Do it. Alright guys, we're about to get it in line now. Want to get an alignment because they are different size wheels. I was 20s, now they're 18s. So we're gonna do alignment, make it all run perfect. And yeah guys, if you guys need an alignment or need tires or anything like that, that's the man to talk to, Peds. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here. He also has a Mustang, so if you want to follow his page, he has a badass twin turbo Mustang. But he also is the tire plug right here. Can they buy tires from you?
Everyone can.
Order any specs. He literally got me those in one day. It looks so badass. It looks mean, dude. This already looks clean. I can't even imagine when we powder coat them black. Damn. Bro, I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, I was nervous to do the green, but it doesn't look bad. I feel like it's growing on me. It looks mean, dude. Especially with the fat tire setup. It looks like some high horsepower GTR. Not yet, but soon.
This is gonna seal the deal. Am I gonna get a GTR or not?
It's slow right now.
Nah, it's good.
But
The
hopefully,
GTR is a GTR.
hopefully next weekend will be fast. Semi. Slow. I know, I can't wait to make it faster, bro. Alright guys, first drive with the GTR. Right off the bat, what I've noticed is that the steering feels a lot lighter. I don't know why. Maybe I have a good alignment now, I don't know. Or the wheels are just a lot lighter. But it doesn't feel too much different than the old wheels. But I'm so excited, I finally got new wheels on the GTR. It doesn't look stock anymore. I think it's gonna break a bunch of necks because these wheels are so bright. And it's something you don't really see. I don't know, I like it. I know a lot of people didn't want me to rock the green wheels, but you know what? I think it's pretty sick. And again, shout out to the homie Peds. His Instagram is down below. If you guys need any tires, any alignments, anything like that, he does everything. You like it or what?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I really like it.
We just made it to 412. I'm trying to get the reaction. You got the M2 here? Oh. The color? I don't know what the color, but they do look sick. Just wait till I put on black, bro. Looks like some Monster Energy.
Don't do black.
No? Gunmetal.
Maybe do red.
Red will look kind of cool too.
Can you do red?
It will look sick. You like it, Carlos? I can't get over the green. I told Sam how much I paid for these wheels and he was so mad. He said I should have put all that money into the engine and made it faster.
It's kind of fire.
It's pretty sick. I don't really know about the green, but yeah, the tires are huge. It looks badass, bro. It doesn't look bad, but I've been here just waiting for the sun to go down so we can have a little photo shoot with the new wheels. Like, it doesn't look that bad, honestly. It actually looks pretty sick. But I photoshopped a picture of how they would look black, and check this photo out. They look so much better black, I think. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep the green, but for sure, I think I'm gonna go black. I just love how it looks all murdered out, and it just looks so mean, bro. Check this out, though. We got a wide body Supra. All over Gustavo. This shit's so clean. I love the color, the wide body kit, these wheels. Dude, look, it has brakes, rotors, everything. Honestly, I think the Supra has like everything you possibly could do. Look, air suspension, we got sparkle seats, roll cage. Oh my god, dude. And a big ass wing. That shit's sick. That might be one of the cleanest Supras I've ever seen. Dude, the GTR looks badass. My E46, you guys haven't seen this thing in a while. I'm sorry, I need to take this car out soon. I literally miss it. I haven't turned it on in a long time either. It's probably the last time I take it out to the track. But I'm gonna be taking it home soon, so it's gonna be sick to have this in the garage. I can't wait to take it home. Have all my cars at home, all in one place. Some crazy cars here at 412 today. Wide body Huracan. Look at this thing. Twin turbo too. I think it makes like 13 wheel horsepower. That's goals, bro. I need a 1,000 horsepower car. 13 wheel horsepower car. And a Ferrari wide body. All these wide bodies. Dude, I don't even think I've showed you guys this. You guys remember Sam's yellow drift car? He got a new livery on it. I don't think I've showed it on the vlog, but he's gonna be putting black gloss wheels. The hood looks sick, but he does like full livery. It's pretty badass. And we got Fresh Kicks car here today. His M2. Everybody wants me to do Nardo. Should I? But he also got a full Valvetronic exhaust. Shout out to Valvetronic. Damn. Should I steal these and put them on the GTR? Nardo gray is clean. A lot of people want me to do it on the E92, but I don't know. I want something that could pop. I know, it would look badass. You can't go wrong with Nardo Gray. It's always gonna look good, but I want something bright, I think. Like the Tiffany again. Alright guys, a lot of time has passed. It's like 10 p.m. now. We're waiting for the homie Kicks' M2 to be done, but I think I'm gonna end the video right there. Let me know how those photos came out, and also let me know what you guys think about these wheels on the GTR. I like it. I'll probably keep it for a couple weeks, and then I think I'm changing it to black. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the new wheels. Also, go like the new photo on Instagram. I posted a reveal picture with the new wheels. And yeah, smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.